homeowner. Thank you so much. Makofi kwa Victor. Last but not least, we have Helen Osala. Your Excellency, that face I'm sure is familiar because Helen Osala is Mama Samaki. She's one of the ladies that had the pleasure of cooking for you fish the other day. She is a true testament of what you talked about bottom up. When you talked about you're going to build serikali na mama mboga na watu wa boda boda. Asante sana for dignifying Helen. So I will ask them now to stand close to you, Your Excellency, so that they can take a photo. These are the 3 new homeowners that represent majority of the growing list of new homeowners. Your Excellency, we have changed the tune from freedom is coming tomorrow to freedom is here. Let's celebrate